Mount Jefferson State Park. We're gonna hit the Rhododendron and Summit Trail. It's cold and there's snow on the ground. And it's not a very long hike, but that's okay because we're both out of shape. So we're gonna go and beast out this 1.3 miles. Top of the summit up here at Luther Rock. It's cold, but it's gorgeous.
Very cold.
It is well worth the 1.3 miles. This trail is listed at a moderate. It's good for kids and dogs. I think I agree.
Yeah, I agree.
It's not super long. There is a little bit of the incline at the beginning, which definitely hurts when the air is cold and the wind is blowing. But once you hit that flat part, it's gorgeous and the views are incredible. And the cool part is because it's not spring and nothing's blooming yet, you can see
For miles and miles.
It's gorgeous. So definitely recommend. We're probably not gonna stay up here long because
It's cold.
it's cold.